In section 1D, we're learning how to answer questions like this, where we're comparing percentages from multiple groups. For example, are men more likely to get type 2 diabetes than women? Let's compare those two groups. Do COC students get the same opportunity to get scholarships as CSUN students? Let's compare those two groups. Is pink a favorite color to more girls than boys? Let's compare girls and boys. What about orange, green, and blue? Questions like this can be answered as we learn to analyze data to compare percentages from multiple groups, which we are going to do today. But before I jump into that, I want to talk about summarizing groups and an important note about statistics. Questions like this can be answered as we learn to analyze data to compare percentages from multiple groups. But it's important to consider the population that data is pulled from. Who is reporting this data? Who is the data about? Be careful to not overgeneralize your data. For example, in our Math 75 class, we have a survey for all Math 75 students. I couldn't apply my results there to all college students everywhere or even all COC students. It just applies to the Math 75 students because that's the population where the data is from. Also, who is reporting the data? The data is self-reported by students. So is it honest? Is everyone telling the truth? Is it accurate? So you need to consider those things when you report. But we have what we have. For now, we have the data we have, so we can answer questions about that data, and only that data, and we will not attempt to make any huge generalizations about greater populations. So let's jump into this example where we have some hospital data with 20 patients. So we can make some observations about this hospital. Not all hospitals nationwide, but about this hospital.